Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today, we will be making a 3-layer cheesecake, the crumb base, cheese, and jelly topping. This is a no-bake strawberry jelly cheesecake. It's a great dessert for your next event. Although this looks like it might be a tricky to make, it is really quite simple. Yes, it does take a little time to put the different layers together, but there is nothing complicated about this recipe at all. And best of all is how fancy it looks and satisfyingly delicious. Without further ado, we will head on to our ingredients. For the base, we will be needing 125 grams plain biscuits or tbsp will do, 90 grams butter melted. For filling, we will be needing 250 grams cream cheese, 395 grams sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons lemon gelatin powder, 1/4 cup water, 250 grams strawberries, 150 grams pack of strawberry gelatin, 1 cup boiling water, and 1/4 cup cold water. Then we will line the base and the sides of this 20 cm spring form tin with the baking paper, and then we will set it aside until needed later. Then I blitz or crush the biscuits until it resembles breadcrumbs. We'll then add the melted butter and mix to combine. We will transfer now the mixture to our prepared springform tin and press it down. Here I use a potato masher. I just wrapped it with the tin foil. I find it more effective and in flattening and pressing this down. But you can also use the back of a spoon, but either way, it's up to you. Then we will place this into the fridge to let it cool off. In medium heat, we will put on our small saucepan, and then we will add in 1/4 cup of water and sprinkle the lemon gelatin. Cook for a minute. Stir it well until the gelatin has dissolved. Then we will set this aside to cool back to room temperature. We have here our electric mixer. We will put on our cream cheese to soften it up. Mix it on medium speed until smooth and creamy. We will then add the condensed milk and we will mix it to combine. While the mixer is in low speed, we will slowly add our gelatin, the lemon gelatin, to this mixing bowl and increase the speed high for a minute to completely combine. We will transfer now the cheesecake mixture to our prepared base and then gently smooth the surface fridge to cool off for about an hour. We will combine the strawberry gelatin with 1 cup of boiling water and stir until dissolved. And then we will add 1/2 cup of cold water and mix it well. We will again set it aside to cool down. At the top of our chilled mixture, we will now place our strawberries and we will take our time to decorate and make it look fancy. And we will chill again for another hour. After another hour, we will remove the chilled cheesecake from the fridge and carefully we will put on the cooled jelly mixture over the top. Spread it all over the sides to make sure that it's all even out. And then we will place it back into the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours, preferably overnight. Here you go! Our smile-inducing, no-bake strawberry lemon jelly cheesecake. Enjoy!